What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be changing out the rear brake on my 2012 Voyager. I started off a little bit by emptying all the stuff out of my saddlebag. Excuse the helicopters and extra noise going on. It's a holiday weekend, so everybody's excited. Pretty easy to move, as you can see, pretty dirty. I cleaned that up. Put that aside right now, somewhere safe where it doesn't get scratched. Move on to the bike. Alright, as you can see right here, these are the two caliper mounting bolts. We're gonna have to remove those, kind of like we did in the front. This one's a little different from the front, doesn't have the retaining screw. So we'll get it all taken apart, and then we'll take a look, see how it goes. Alright, so now let's start by removing these. Got a 12 millimeter. Alright, once you got the caliper mounting bolts loose, wiggle this off. Whew. As you can see, taking a good look, this pad's a pretty shot, so they're about due. I just changed the front one, so I figured might as well change the back ones. I bought the bike used, so I didn't know how much pad life they had on it, but now, as you can see how far this is extended, I need to compress these so that way when I put the new pads in, they're not compressed all the way. So let me get some brake cleaner, spray that off, wipe it up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so that looks about as far as it can go. So hopefully that's enough. If not, then I will try something different. Because this one, unlike the front, has these openings, so what you can do is if you got a C-clamp, stick the pad back in here, press the C-clamp in here, tighten it down until it pushes them both down. So hopefully I won't need to get that far, but hopefully this will be enough. As you can see, that's a very, very little Allen. So let me see what I need to remove that, because this is the retaining bolt that holds the pads in. then I could take all the rest of the stuff out, clean it up, put the new stuff in. So I'm making some tools. Alright, like I said, party tool season always. I've noticed there is a retaining pin right there, a little cotter pin. So I got my scratch all. Pull that out. Little guy, don't lose it. And I don't even know if this is screwed in there because it's hand tight. Yeah, no, it's just a pin, slides right in. Voila. Take those two out and clean up all the stuff in here, and then put the new stuff in. Now, what I'm going to do start lubing stuff. Any part where the brake pad is going to touch or slide against, I like to put some lube. So that's lubed. I'm going to put some lube on the springs in the back where the calipers touch. That way they slide nice and easily. And safe measure. And put some brake quiet. Alright, now just so you know, there's two different kinds. There's the one with the two eyes. That one goes on the outside. The one without the two goes on the inside. Slide the pin back in. retaining bolt. So now that's back on. Had to check real quick. 18 foot-pounds of torque is the recommended specified torque. So there you go. Brake pads have changed. All you gotta do now is pump the brakes, build up pressure, because you don't want to go riding without brake pressure. You gotta make sure the pads clamp. So go over here so you feel pressure. Like right now, it's just going super easy. There you go. So wow, just like that, brakes are done. Put it all back together and go for a ride. Hope this was helpful. It took me about a half hour. So I'm going to do some inspection and check some other stuff. So if you have any other questions, shoot me the messages in the comments below. Yeah, but it's pretty simple to do. So enjoy. Until next time.